Today, I'll share with you the heartbreaking and poignant tale of Sarah Baartman, a South African woman whose life story symbolizes the profound injustices faced by African women during the 19th century. This narrative is not just a recount of historical events, but a reminder of the enduring scars of colonial exploitation. Born around 1789 in South Africa's Eastern Cape, Sarah belonged to the Khoikhoi people. Her life changed drastically in 1810 when she was taken to Cape Town and later coerced into traveling to Europe with promises of fame and fortune. Upon her arrival in London, Sarah was exhibited as the Hottentot Venus, a derogatory term that reduced her to a mere curiosity due to her physical features, typical of her heritage. Her exhibitions were not just a display, they were a spectacle of racial and gender degradation. Despite a legal battle initiated by British abolitionists, Sarah was manipulated into claiming she was not coerced, resulting in the continuation of her exploitation. She was later taken to Paris, where her dehumanization reached new depths, subjected to scientific examinations that disregarded her humanity. Sarah's health deteriorated under the harsh conditions of her life in Paris. She turned to alcohol and lived in poverty, passing away in 1815 at the tender age of 26. Her suffering did not end with her death. Her body was dissected and parts of her were displayed in a Paris museum until 1974. Decades of activism finally resulted in the repatriation of her remains to South Africa in 2002, where she was buried with the respect she deserved. Today, Sarah Baartman's story is a stark reminder and a symbol of the cruelty of colonial exploitation. Her legacy is not just a tale of sorrow, but also a beacon of resilience and a call to remember and address the injustices of the past. Let her story inspire us to seek dignity and justice for all. Thank you for listening and reflecting with me on the life of Sarah Baartman.